Good morning, dear parents. Welcome to the annual orientation. This is Mrs. Annabella Guzman, the VP of the Finance Department. This morning, I will be sharing with you important information that you need to know regarding the Finance Department. To start off, kindly meet the accounting staff and the canteen staff, and the Finance Department philosophy, honesty, and integrity. Now, for the school year 24-25, we have three modes of payment. First mode of payment is full, which is due upon enrollment, covering the months of August to May, plus the enrollment fees. The second mode of payment is monthly, which is due every 5th of the month, covering the current month. And the third is quarterly mode of payment. So for the first quarter, this is due on October 3 for the months of September and October. Second quarter is due on December 5, covering the months of November and December. Third quarter is due on February 5 for the months of January, February, and March. And the fourth quarter is due on April 3, covering the months of April and May. Now, there are two payment options. One is through the school cashier, either cash or dated check, and the second is online bank transfer to the school's nominated banks, the Ali Bank and the CBQ. The details of these accounts are posted in the school website. Now, if you will opt to pay via online bank transfer, kindly take note of the following. First, monthly online bank transfer can be checked and verified with the bank after 1 to 2 working days from the date of transfer. Second, quarterly online bank transfer should be made a week before the scheduled quarterly examinations in order for your child to be included in the official list of students eligible to take the quarterly examinations. Third, kindly indicate clearly on the space provided for details and remarks the complete name of your child so that the school cashiers can easily verify your payment. However, note number 4, unrecognized online transfers are posted on the school website every month. Kindly check the school website in order to properly account the online bank transfer you have made. For optional fees, we have the annual locker rental fee for those who will avail of the use of the locker for the school year. The annual locker rental fee is $200 and payment is upon registration. And there's also the annual bus service fee for those availing or who will avail of the bus services. The two-way is $4,000 and the one-way is $3,000. And the payment is on a monthly or quarterly basis together with your tuition fees. The school also offers school care services for preschool students. If you want to avail of the school care services, then the fee is $500 monthly up to 3 p.m. and beyond 3 p.m. there is an additional of $50 per hour, and the payment is also on a monthly basis. If you would be requesting for statement of accounts and various related certifications, the charge is 15 reals, and the processing is 1 to 2 working days after the filing of the request. Regarding the refund on school fees, for those who have withdrawn or canceled their enrollment, The requirement is copy of the QID of the parent or guardian, and the processing is 5 working days after the approval of the withdrawal or cancellation of enrollment. Yes, dear parents, your children can avail of the canteen credit facility. All you have to do is secure, fill out, and submit the form to the canteen cashier. And the payment modes can be weekly, that is 2 days after the week, or monthly on or before the 5th of the following month. This school year 24-25, we are strengthening our campaign to encourage all the parents to avail of the offering of the school canteen for special occasions, for like birthdays and other important events in the life of your child, which you wish to have them celebrate with their classmates in their classroom. The canteen offers 6 combo meals as part of the party package, and serving will be per pack. This costs only 600 reals for 40 persons. So I encourage every parents to avail of this party package, which I would say is comparable and affordable, and the assurance is there that their class advisors would assist them in their celebration. Regarding the school supplies and uniforms, return and exchange. First, return or exchange is allowed within 7 days from the date of purchase. Second, the schedule of return or exchange is only every Wednesday. Just present your CRM receipts, and items must be in good, unused condition. Regarding the supplies for the projects and assignments of your children, the subject teacher will inform the storekeeper of the requirements at least 1 week in advance for preparation and processing. And so to avoid crowding at the store, 1 or 2 class officers will go to the store to pay for and collect the supplies. A CRM receipt will be issued by the store cashier upon payment. Now, to secure a year-end clearance from the finance department, the following shall be observed. Remind your children that before going to the finance department, they have to ensure that all other departments and offices have already signed the clearance. Then they can go directly to the school cashier for checking and verification of outstanding account, if any. The checking and verification takes 2 to 3 days for 1 class. Yours truly shall sign the clearance of a student who has fully settled the school fees as of the current school year. Should you have further inquiries, kindly visit the VP Finance office at your convenience or email us at accounts@psgqatar.com. Thank you and a blessed morning to all of you.